story. Tom, Jerry, Power of Friendship. Tom the cat was chasing Jerry the mouse all around the house. They fought, they argued, and it looked like they would never be friends. But suddenly, a big dog appeared. The dog ran after both of them. Tom and Jerry got scared, but instead of fighting, they worked together. Jerry distracted the dog, and Tom pulled a trick. Finally, they escaped safely. Both laughed and understood. Fighting makes us weak, but friendship makes us strong. Moral: teamwork and friendship can solve even the biggest problems. If you liked this story, don't forget to like Hive, share True, and subscribe Hackshare for more fun kids stories.